Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I have a craft for you that was inspired by fireflies and mud pies. And it's a really cute little craft that is based on cupcakes. Now, in the past 10 years, cupcakes have gone from being just like a little side dish or something that you would give out at, birthdays at school to like an entire industry. And along with that came these adorable and amazing little baking cups. Those little paper cups that used to just be like, you were lucky if you could get them in pastel or tin foil when I was a kid. Well, now they come in polka dots and patterns and everything under the sun, and they're adorable, and they make great crafting supplies. And Fireflies and Mud Pies gave me this idea, which is to create these adorable little flowers made out of baking cups. But I took it one step further and turned it into a little treat that you could eat by adding a chocolate heart and a pixie stick. I'm going to teach you how to make one right now. For this project, you will need colorful baking cups, both small and large, glue stick, hot glue gun, paper straw, other embellishments like buttons, jewels, pom-poms, stickers. If you want to make a sweet version, you'll need pixie sticks and candy. So first thing we're going to do, and this is something fun for kids to do, is turn your cups inside out. So I'm going to start with this cup, and you just flip it inside out like that so that the pretty color faces inside. Now, if you're lucky and you've got double-sided cups, you won't have to do that, but I have never really seen double-sided cups. Now each of my flowers is going to have an inside and an outside. So that's for that one, and then I'm going to do another one for my sweet treat, and that's going to have a polka dot one. So I'm just going to take that, flip it inside out like that, and just take your finger and run it around the inside there to get that round circle in the bottom back. And I'm going to do the same thing with these two little tiny ones. Just turn them inside out, and they just flip really easily. And again, just run your finger along the bottom, get that circle back. Just like that. Now, this is where we're going to be using our glue stick. And we're just going to take the glue stick, and the one that is the backer, which means the one that you did not flip inside out, just going to put glue stick all around the bottom there. And you can give a little glue stick to the top part too. It won't hurt it. Just give it a light little coating there. And then take your inside and just pop it inside there. And just smoosh it around till it's nice and secure. And you can line up those little edges like that. And then take your glue stick, put it right in the center, and place your tiny one right in the center. Okay, let's redo that for this one over here. So in this case, my polka dots are going on the outside. So I'm just going to do the bottom there. And again, I could do the tops if I wanted to, but this one I'm not going to. Just to give you the difference, so you can see the difference of the two. Run your finger around that, make sure that's nice and secure. Take your glue stick, put the little tiny mini one in the center. And now you get to figure out how you want to decorate it. Now for my polka dot one, I'm going to make this into a candy treat. So I'm going to take one of these flat-backed candies, and you want to make sure you have a flat back. That's super important. Flat back is going to be the best way to go here. And I'm going to use hot glue. Now, if you have a glue dot, you could use a glue dot, and that actually is probably the safest way to go because you won't melt your chocolate. But I'm going to give this a 15 count, 1, 2, 13, 14, 15. And it should be cool enough now to just place my heart right in the center, like that. Then I'm just going to take my pixie stick, put a little glue right at the top there, and place my flower on top of the pixie stick, like that. And now we'll put a sticker in the center of this one, like that. And then take your paper straw. I love these paper straws. They're so much fun. I don't know if I like drinking out of them, but I love using them for arts and crafts. And thank you, drinking industry, for giving me yet another craft supply. So I put some glue up there and just lay my flower head right on the top there. And there we've got two little versions, a sweet version and a pretty version. Now I do want to show you a couple other centers just to inspire you. This one has a pom-pom in the center. This one has a button. This one has a jewel. This one has googly eyes and a nose to make a little face. And this one has nothing at all. And as you can tell, it's still just as cute as the other ones. For more great ideas, check us out at sophie-world.com, and a big shout out and thank you to Dragonflies and Mud Pies for their inspiration. And if you haven't already, make sure that you leave a comment down below, or better yet, subscribe so that you get a video every Wednesday and Friday. Thanks so much, and check us out, sophie-world.com.